Risk is everywhere. From our daily routines to those big adventures, it's always there. And because life is risky, it's crucial to have a plan to protect the things and the people you care about. Think of it as having financial lifeboats. Hi, I'm Lynn Williams, owner of the Lifestyle Protector, and I'm here to help you gain clarity and confidence in your financial journey. We all get the idea of insuring big assets like our homes and cars because they're expensive and hard to replace. But we often forget about protecting the most important thing, the thing that pays for everything else, our income. If something happens and you can't work due to a serious illness or injury, you and your family could face financial trouble. And that's why we need to make sure we're prepared. So let's understand this risk readiness. It takes courage to really think about the risk of losing your income because of illness or injury. It's not always easy to commit to those insurance premiums year after year after year, just in case something happens. But financially confident people do this because it means their future is secure no matter what life throws at them. We all protect the things we value with insurance because replacing them immediately out of pocket would be tough. The same thinking should be applied to our incomes. If we can't work, insurance can step in to help. So let's think about how valuable are you? Think about it. If you had an asset worth $3 to $5 million, you'd insure it, right? Well, your earnings from now until you retire could add up to that much. If you earn $100,000 a year and you work for another 30 years, that's $3 million. So if you haven't insured your income yet, you're putting your lifestyle and potentially your wealth at risk. And the good news is you can take steps to protect yourself and sleep better at night. So let's think about the unimaginable for a moment. When we think about risk, many of us assume, I could survive 3 to 6 months. I have a line of credit at the bank. But what if your illness or injury lasts not just months, but years? Most of us just can't imagine that. Most of us can't imagine losing our house because we've lost our income due to health or an injury crisis. Even if you think that won't happen to me, just ask yourself, what would I want to happen if it did? Wouldn't you want to be prepared? Wouldn't you want to have some disability or critical illness insurance kick in and have money start flowing into your bank account if you couldn't work? And many Canadians are actually underinsured and putting their financial well-being at risk because of it. So here are some steps that you can take in order to be risk ready. First, assess your risk health. A lot of people downplay the risk of getting a disability or critical illness insurance before the age of 65. But the truth is, the chances are higher than you think. So make sure you're not underinsured, but putting yourself at risk of financial hardship if something happens. There are caring people in the insurance profession that can help. Understand that insurance is liquidity. Paying insurance premium means you're insuring your family and your family's income and assets are protected. Personal insurance acts like that financial lifeboat I mentioned earlier. And most self-employed professionals spend somewhere between 5 to 7% of their take-home income on personal insurance, like disability, critical illness, and life insurance to protect against financial loss. And most important, if you haven't thought about it, you want to secure long-term disability insurance. Your income is what pays for everything in your life. And if you can't work because of illness or accident, long-term disability insurance can give you the monthly income to cover your expenses. And it's often tax-free if it's structured in a certain way. It's essential because a living benefit that replaces your income is what flows in when you need it most. And being risk ready means having a plan to protect your income, your assets, and you're financially secure no matter what happens. So by valuing your income, assessing your health, and getting the right insurance, you can build a financial lifeboat that keeps you safe during tough times. Don't wait for a crisis to hit before realizing how important it is to protect your income. Take action now to just find out what that would mean for you and secure your financial future so that you can live life confidently. And if you're in Western Canada, give us a call at the Lifestyle Protector, and we can help you look at your insurance needs and make sure you and your family are ready for anything.